in Harrisburg in early spring. When boy meets girl, here's what they sing. When the core heat is high and you can't see the sky, it's a meltdown. When you walk down the street and you can't stand the heat, it's a meltdown. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, as the gamma rays sing in a countdown. Birds will fry in the sky as they plummet and die to the scorched ground. When you're losing your hair in the ionized air, it's a meltdown. But it's safe there, you know, 'cause the NRC says that it's so. Folks will flee 1, 2, 3 from the burning debris as it falls down. But it may be too late for us all to escape from a meltdown. When you read by the light of your body at night, it's a meltdown. When you can't stand the taste of the nuclear waste from above, and no humans dare go down where nothing will grow for